They are preparing for a new world. Some say the singularity is unstoppable. If people can own 3D printers and the template is easily downloaded off a computer to design your own Tesla bot with advanced AI that you can program yourself, then almost everyone can have their own little army of advanced AI robots that can be directed to do anything you want. I feel those in charge know this and are doing what they think is the only possible solution. Depopulation, track and trace technology, cameras on every corner, and 24/7 surveillance to stop it. Will digital currency even be useful in the future? Can blockchain even be secure when you have advanced quantum computers able to crack any code in a matter of seconds? Processes that could take a normal computer tens of thousands of years to complete are now being done in seconds by these supercomputers. Imagine being able to 3D print your own Tesla bot, programmed to your desires with an artificial intelligence equivalent to 1,000 quantum computers. The possibilities are endless. The singularity is coming. The advancement of technology doesn't just stop at some point. Those in charge know this and are going to try to collapse the current world and build back up to their liking. Depopulate so they can control and monitor those left while they get to be the ones who merge with machine and in their own heads live forever. All they need is the earth to remain intact, and they feel the only thing stopping them from living forever is the destruction of this earth done by you. You are the virus they speak on. Humans are the ones taking up space and using endless resources. If the population keeps growing, the earth's resources will begin to diminish. This stops the elites from being able to live forever. That's why articles on overpopulation and its problems are being written here. Overpopulation, cause and effect. June 25th, 2020. Conversations about overpopulation can quickly become controversial because they beg the question, who exactly is the cause of the problem and what, if anything, should be done about it? Many population experts worry discussions around overpopulation will be abused by small-minded people to suggest some are the right people to be on the planet, like themselves. Each human being has a legitimate claim on a sufficient and fair amount of Earth's resources. But with a population approaching 8 billion, even if everyone adopted a relatively low material standard of living like the one currently found in Papua New Guinea, it would still push Earth to its ecological breaking point. Unfortunately, the average person on Earth consumes at a rate over 50% above a sustainable level. Incredibly, the average person in the United States uses almost 5 times more than the sustainable yield of the planet. When we use the term overpopulation, we specifically mean a situation in which the Earth cannot regenerate the resources used by the population every year. Experts say this has been the case every year since 1970, with each successive year becoming more and more damaging. To help temper this wildly unsustainable situation, we need to understand what's contributing to overpopulation and overconsumption and how these trends are affecting everything from climate change to socio-political unrest. The effects of overpopulation. It is only logical that an increase in the world's population will cause additional strains on resources. More people means an increased demand for food, water, housing, energy, healthcare, transportation, and more. And all that consumption contributes to ecological degradation, increased conflicts, and a higher risk of large-scale disasters like pandemics. Too many people, too many pandemics. We got to get rid of them. I know, right? This is just... Look at all of the things that are caused by overpopulation. Increased conflicts, higher risk of disasters and pandemics. What can be done?